In this tutorial, we're going to use Photoshop to create the image here that we can see. First of all, you're going to need to open up the color image, the original, and we are going to make a duplicate of the background layer. So right click and duplicate the layer. This gives us two copies of the image stacked on top of each other. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom layer and make an adjustment and make that layer be black and white. And you can see if we hide the top layer, you can see the bottom one is black and white underneath. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we select the top layer, and we're going to go over to the quick selection tool, and we're going to make sure that we're doing an additive selection, so we're going to add to it. In this case, I'm going to make the brush size a bit bigger for this image, and literally all we do is move the mouse along, holding the button down, selecting the areas that we're after, in this case the bus. It's quite easy to sort of go and select areas you don't want, so we can switch to the subtraction tool and we can remove parts of the selection. And obviously if you had a bit more time, you could do a better job than I'm probably doing here. And just add back in some of the bits that were removed. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the select menu and we're going to say select the inverse. So instead of having the bus selected, what we've now got is the bridge and the tower selected. Literally we've just pressed the delete key and then we press Control D to remove the selection itself, and we have our completed image.